Hey Wildcats, welcome to your commercial break. My name is Haley White.
I'm Taylor Ford.
And we're admission counselors recruiters here at
the Fort Valley State University.
So today we're going to be making some Wildcat Lemonade. Taylor, what do we have in front of us?
So we got a couple things. So we got some fresh lemon slices. We have some blueberries, fresh blueberries. You can also use frozen. Just let them unthaw a little bit. Some ice. Your favorite lemonade. You can use any type of lemonade that you like. And we have some sparkling soda. Okay. So first, we're going to smash up some blueberries in our glass. I'm going to put a little bit in mine. And then Haley's going to show you a little bit easier way. Oh, Lord, we're making a mess. Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. So Haley's going to show you a different way you can do it. So for me, I'm going to take a whisk and smash them up in the bottom. She's going to smash hers up in her little container. So it's a little bit easier that way if you don't have a whisk or anything to smash the blueberries with, like a spoon or a spatula. Okay? So smash them up as much as you can so we get that nice, pretty royal blue. You know, go Wildcats. So smash them up, smash them up. So Haley, you got yours smashed up real good?
Yeah.
All right, so after she puts them in her glass, I'm gonna put some ice in mine. Put a little ice in there, like so, like that. Haley's gonna put some ice in hers. Uh-oh, Haley. Technical difficulties. All right, so let's put some lemons in our glass. Drop a couple in there so it looks nice and pretty. He's gonna pour
get some lemonade.
Yep, so I'll pour some lemonade in there. You can do about half the glass. Yep. I'm gonna get some of mine. All right.
I want an extra.
Well, because that's your business. Showing off on T-Tab. Okay. So we're gonna put a splash of our sparkling soda. Give a little razzle dazzle. All right.
Then we're going to take a straw. We're going to mix that up for ourselves.
Mix it up real nice. If you want to be real fancy, put your little lemon on the rim of your glass. And there you go. You got your Wildcat Lemonade. Cheers. You're real cool out here in the valley heat because it gets real hot out here, okay? All right, y'all. So we made our lemonade already. But we're in Peach County, so we're gonna make us a peach mug cake. So you can see we did one already, and mine has a little ice cream in there because you know I'm like a little razzle dazzle. So I'm gonna turn it over to Haley. She's gonna show us how to whip it up. All right.
All right. So today in front of us we have peaches. We have fresh peaches as well as if you want to use the can. Some brown sugar. You don't need brown sugar, but if you would like some, cinnamon, and about a half a stick of butter and some yellow cake. You can use whatever cake you want, but today we're using yellow cake. To start, we are going to melt about a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to put it with some cinnamon and some brown sugar. So we did this already off camera, and that's about as much as you need, not too much. We're going to put that in our mug.
Like so, like that. All right, on T-Tab. Come on.
All right, from there, we're going to take, we already used about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and I used about a tablespoon of cinnamon to make our cinnamon mixture. Then we're going to use a half a cup of our yellow cake mix. Here. You can use less, you can use more. Our mug is a little tall, so we're using about Then we're gonna melt about 2.5 tablespoons of butter, and we're gonna mix that into our mug. If you need more butter or you don't need that much butter, use your own discretion. And we're gonna mix that up.
Give it a good little mix. Mix it. You know. Mix it up real good. You need a little bit more butter. You can always add a little bit more. So all the cake batter absorbs into the butter.
If there's still a little bit more batter sitting in there, that's okay. We're going to put butter on top of it in our mug. From here, after we get that mixed up, it is a little thick. You can add more butter if you want. Okay. We're gonna put some of our peaches into our mug, about 3 to 4 will do. And that's okay if you put a little juices in there as well. Now if you're using fresh peaches, you might not have any syrup.
That'll help the cake batter loosen up a little bit in the mug.
Then we're gonna put our cake mixture into the mug. I should do it this way.
I can see, real easy. Do this all in your dorm room. Quick little snack after you leave the calf, you know, come make you some sweets.
Didn't wash my hands. All right, so this is what it looks like inside. Okay, we're gonna take about some thin sliced pieces of butter and we're gonna stick that on top. And then you can add your own peaches, a little razzle dazzle.
We got our extra peaches. So you can use a fresh peaches, you can use a can. So I'm gonna use a little bit of the rest of the can that we have. Just put that on the top. Got one more. Stick that up there.
I'm gonna throw a little cinnamon on there, a little razzle dazzle, throw a little brown sugar if you want on there. If you want to add some more peaches, this is kind of what it looks like from here. And then we're gonna pop that into the microwave for 2 minutes. If your microwave is really high, we're gonna put that in for 1 minute and 30 seconds.
Ooh, quick and easy. Quick and easy. So we're all finished. So once that takes no time, and then have your mug cake, put ice cream on there, and you're all done. So you got your lemonade, and you got your mug cake. So let's get us a little bit of ice cream, get a little peach in there. It's busting, just like a lemonade. You know what I'm trying to tell y'all.
With the money shot.
The money shot.
I don't know if that's what I said.
So it's really good, guys. Quick and easy. Like I said, busting. You got your lemonade, you got your mug cake, and
You're
all set.
Bye.
Bye. I felt like a wildcat.